welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Akshita. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some really easy but at the same time professional looking eyelids. But I want to make one thing clear that these are not complete eyeshadows look. These are something that will take you just few minutes to do, but it will make the other person thinking as if you have put in a lot of efforts. So keeping the intro short, without any further ado, let's get started. So for this first one, I'm going to take this purple shade right here. What you need to do is just take a really contrasting shade which you don't wear otherwise, as this is going to make that shade wearable. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the product on a brush, and you need to apply it on your lash line. Yeah, that's it. Just apply it on your lash line. So yeah, this is it for the first one. Wait, let me zoom it in for you guys. So yeah, this was the first one. As you can see, it is really simple. It involves just one color and just a minute. But it really lifts up your face and it makes everyone think like, damn, you have put in a lot of efforts. It looks something that we don't do in general. So that was it. So moving on to the second one. So for this one, what you need to do is just take two contrasting colors. Yes. Now you need to apply one color on your eyelid and one color on your lash line. Now since I have already applied the purple shade on my lash line, I'm going to take an opposite color. I'm going to take this orange shade right here and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. So this is it. You can clearly see that it makes a lot of difference. I would like to recommend you to use all your yellows and greens and blues. Basically the shades that you not tend to use in your day-to-day lifestyle. But for this eyeshadow look, they will look really nice. Also, one thing that I would like to recommend for this eye look is to use a third contrasting color lip shade. Yes, for example, if I have used orange and purple for my eyes, then I would not recommend you to use orange or pink lip shade. You can use brown or red like the way I have used here, as it will create a really nice contrast and make you look really nice. So again, for this third one, you need a unique color. Here I am using this berry shade. All you need to do is pat that color on your brush and apply it on your inner corners. this is what it looks like. This one the easiest to fall, but trust me, it looks amazing. Again, I would recommend you guys to use a yellow, a green or a blue, basically a pop color for this one. But since I had this only right now with me, so I've used this. You might not be able to see that very clearly on camera, but trust me, it looks amazing in general. Do try it out. Now for this last one, we are going to do a quick and pretty smoky eye. It is just a 2-minute smoky eye, and trust me, it looks not any less. But if you guys want to see a whole full-fledged video on how I do my smoky eyes, then let me know in the comments and I would love to do that for you guys. So let's start. First, take the black eyeshadow on your brush and apply it all over your lids. So that is it. I have just packed on black eyeshadow on all over my lids. Don't worry, it can be a little messy at this step. Now for the next step, I'm just going to take a brown shade right here on a blending brush, and we are going to blend that black shade out. You need to go in circular motions and just blend it out. Don't worry if it looks a little messy. That is how smoky eye is supposed to be. Now for one last step, I'm going to go back to the black shade and mix it with the brown shade and apply it on my waterline. And yeah, that's it. You can see that it looks really nice. It looks like you've put in a lot of effort, but honestly, we haven't. So yeah, that was it for this video. These are all the quick and easy eyeshadow looks that I like to do. If you want to see more of such looks, then let me know in the comments and I would love to do that for you guys. And also, if you tend to remake any of these looks, then don't forget to tag me. That would mean the world to me. So, if you like them, then don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.